Well, here's the continuation of the Ranch Road project. Got all my material in here with the 621. Of course, trying to make it look good with these obstacles around here and kind of a tight work area. It's not that easy, so that's what the blade can take care of. Got this kind of wrapped around a little bit. I wrapped around the backside of that little kiddie playground area and got some material piled up there for going over to the other end of that car shed there. And go and park the scraper, and then I could just track that excavator all the way over here, build up this berm, and head down to the that long driveway and put that drain pipe in the ground. Yeah, I got my drain pipe put in. Just finished it. Got it backfilled and tracked in, tamped down, whatever. It sits a little bit above the flow line, but this is the high end, so it ain't gonna be too bad. Well, now that that's done, I get to go ahead and head back and get my berm built. Finishing up the last of this gun range berm. Ready to have the last of this dirt.